Activity 7.3. Let us find out. 1. Collect a few solid objects, such as a piece of iron or an iron nail, a piece of rock salt, a stone, a piece of wood, a key, and a piece of aluminium, Fig. 7.3. 7.3. Some solid objects. Observe their shapes and sizes. Try hammering them. In which of the above 6 objects do you think particles are strongly held together? You must have noticed that all these objects are solids. They have a definite shape and volume. This is due to the fact that in solids, the particles are tightly packed and the interparticle attractions are very strong. These strong forces of attraction hold the particles in fixed positions, preventing them from moving freely. Fig.
Of a nail. Pick up a piece of rock salt. It has its own shape and doesn't change. You can't compress it with your hands because the particles are already packed very tightly. Now what happens when you heat a solid? As heat is added, the particles begin to vibrate more and more strongly. Imagine the bricks in our wall starting to shake. At a certain temperature, called the melting point, the vibrations become so strong that the particles can no longer remain in their fixed positions. Strong forces of attraction weaken and the solid begins to transform into a liquid. The melting point is defined as the minimum temperature. As the minimum temperature at which a solid melts at atmospheric pressure to form a liquid. Different solids have different melting points, depending on how strong their interparticle forces are.
While others have strong attractive forces and have high melting points. Some examples of solids and their melting points are shown in Table 7.1. Table 7.1. Melting points of some solids.